What if I told you that AI could replace up to 50% of entry-level jobs in the next 5 years? In the last 6 months, job listings for roles in writing, IT, and analysis have plummeted. Since the launch of ChatGPT, these tasks now take seconds, not hours. But it's not replacing humans. It's replacing repetitive work. Now you're free to focus on what truly matters. And here's the secret. The biggest companies in the world are already using AI to augment their workforce. At Duolingo, we've seen firsthand how generative AI can help us do our jobs better and faster. Our team works alongside an AI assistant. It suggests improvements as we write, helping us be more creative and efficient. Emotional intelligence, critical thinking, creative problem solving. These are your new superpowers. Generative AI could add $10 trillion to the global economy by 2038. And you can be part of that growth. But we must ensure that AI works for everyone. Women and admin workers are especially vulnerable. Fair upskilling and trust must lead the way. So what will you do today to prepare for the AI revolution? Will you reskill? Will you adapt? Will you lead? Don't just watch the future happen. Shape it. This is your time to level up.